Floridians, it's Kira from handicapparking.com. We aim to empower disabled individuals like you to take back your traveling freedom by attaining a handicap placard. I believe this is something that significantly impacts your life and the lives of those around you. In this video, I'd like to explore the process and requirements for renewing your handicap placard. This will be specifically for disabled individuals in Florida. However, don't worry if you are in another state. We'll be covering other states in future videos. If you'd like me to explain your state, please leave a comment with your state name and I will try my best to accommodate. To the best of my ability, I'm going to try to resolve any questions you have about the process and renewing. Let's start by understanding the basics. This video is only helpful if you've already been issued a permanent or temporary placard. Temporary placards will need to be renewed every 6 months or less, depending on what your doctor issued you. Permanent placards will need to be renewed every 4 years before your birthday. Let's get started. First, you'll need to complete an application, which is form hsmv 83039. This will have all of your personal information, such as your phone number, name, and address. Along with this information, you will need to have a physician, chiropractor, optometrist, nurse practitioner, or physician assistant sign your application. This is the most important part of renewing your placard. This signature must have been signed within 12 months of your applying. Something to note as well is a disabled person must have a driver's license or identification card issued by Florida. After you've completed your application and have your doctor's signature, you have finished the documentation part of the application. This is the most challenging part of the process, as the next step is to bring your application to the DMV or a local tax collector office, such as AAA. You can also mail in your application, however this process can take upwards of 14 business days. If you'd like to take the hassle out of the application and document process, we at handicapparking.com are happy to help you. Regardless if you choose our help, at the end of the day, this video is for you. Whether you have an expiring placard or want to stay on top of your current placard, our aim was to provide you with the knowledge you need to improve your quality of life. So stay tuned, and we're excited to take this journey with you. Follow this channel for more on handicap placard questions and feel free to leave me comments. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have, and if you'd like to ask privately, send me an email at support@handicapparking.com. Wishing you all the best, thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.